Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check TikTok version, and all you have to do is to enter the TikTok application. And then from here, you're going to tap on your profile, and you're going to tap on the three lines, and you're going to tap on your settings and privacy. And then you are going to scroll down to the bottom, and then here you're going to see the version that your TikTok account has. You can also try by signing up for a beta update in the case that there are some updated features that your TikTok may not have by just tapping on the terms and policies. And from here, you're going to see an option to join TikTok. This does, but in the case that I do not have it, the problem might be that I haven't updated my software to the latest version, or I'm waiting for the update to now reach my countries. So all you have to do is to just tap on the TikTok testers, and you're going to see the option to upgrade to the better service. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.